Hello everyone, and warm welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well by God's grace. I'm going to be sharing with you today this delicious street food in Ghana. We call it check. Okay, so check is basically fried rice, street fried rice in Ghana, and it is made like check. I don't know why it's called check, but yeah, if you know why it's actually called check, let me know down in the comments below. But I think it's because of the way they put the things together. The ingredients are few, they are not as many. So join me and I'll show you how. I'm going to start by steaming my chicken, okay? So I have some onion, garlic, ginger, and some aniseed and rosemary that I've blended. And I'm going to use that to steam this chicken, right? So what I'm going to be doing today is to be making all the elements of check. Because when you buy check, it comes with fried chicken and then you buy other things. So the other things that you would normally buy, that is what I'll be making, right? So whilst our chicken is steaming, we're going to be cutting our salad, which is another component of check. Okay, so I'm cutting here some lettuce. I'll grate some carrots and cut some eggs. At this point, the eggs were still boiling, so they were not ready to be cut, right? So once that is done, I'll start cutting my other ingredients. For the fried rice itself, or for the check itself, the ingredients are few. The vegetables are very few. So we are going authentic fried rice. We are not adding a lot of vegetables. Just carrots and spring onions. Okay, so cutting carrots into small cubes or dicing them can be a bit tricky, so I just show you how you can easily cut them. Okay, so a few cuts and you know how things are going on, right? Okay, so once that is done, we'll cut the spring onions. Okay, so the spring onions, I'll just cut them anyway. You can slice them, you can just cut them as I'm doing it right now. I cut off the head, and what I'm going to be doing is to separate the white bit of the spring onions from the green bit of the spring onions. The green bit will be used as some sort of garnishing. Okay, so at the end I'll sprinkle a few and the white bits will go in with the carrots. Okay, so sausage is an additional ingredient that you can buy on top of the standard check. Okay, so I'm cutting some here, and you can cut them in small cubes just like the carrots, or you can cut them as I'm doing that. This is how I want it. Okay, so I'll set that aside, and then another ingredient will be your corned beef, an additional one you have to buy. Okay, so I have some soy sauce that I'll be using. I have garlic and ginger that I have blended together, or grated actually. I have some chili flakes just in case anybody wants it. Salad cream, I have some ketchup, and then I have some mayonnaise for the salad. Okay, so now my eggs are ready, and I'm going to just slice them into nice circles. That's all I'm going to be doing, and then I'll add it to my salad as you see me do now. Okay, I also have some old rice. Okay, this was boiled the day before. Okay, and then I have some eggs for the fried rice. Okay, for eggs kakra fra. Okay, all right, so next let's move on to preparing the chicken for frying. Okay, so I have some corn flour and then cornstarch or corn flour. I'm adding in some black pepper, ground black pepper, garlic powder or garlic granules, some chicken seasoning and salt to it. I'll mix that together, and then I'll use it to coat my chicken. So I'm going to coat my chicken lightly. Okay, not a lot at all, right? I nearly forgot my salt, but I remembered, thank God. Anyway, so yeah, mix everything together, and then you're going to be sort of coating all the chicken with it before frying, and make sure it's already coated, so that once you start frying, you just go. So here I tell you to mix it thoroughly with my fingers, okay, because that small spoon was not doing the trick for me, right? So coat all the chicken, and then we'll go on to fry. After frying, then we'll fry our fried rice. Okay, then we'll fry our rice to make it fried rice. And I'm saying, so my oil has been heating for a bit, and then I'm dropping in my chicken. I'm trying not to overcrowd the chicken. And once you drop your chicken in, don't stir it. Leave it to fry for about 10 minutes before you put your spoon inside. Okay, so it took me about, I don't know how long it took me to fry. But when you see that it's nice and golden like this, then you take it out, because the chicken has already been steamed. I steamed the chicken for 15 minutes before frying. So it's not like we are now cooking the chicken. It's already been cooked. We are just making it look crunchy and nice. Okay, so I'm dropping the last batch in, and then we'll move on to frying our rice to make fried rice. So I'm adding vegetable oil to my wok. Okay, and we're going to be frying. So here goes in my carrot, just a little bit of carrot. Check, I'm wanting the commercial check. They don't add a lot of carrots. They don't make it poachy like the way we do. We add peas, we add green pepper, we add red pepper. No, it's just these two ingredients, simple. I just added my ginger and garlic paste a minute ago, and I'm now adding in my eggs. Okay, the ginger and garlic paste, it does the trick. Your food will be yammilicious, delicious forever. So please don't omit that. I'm not sure the commercial people add it, but then if they do, fine. If they don't, please add it to your own at home. Okay, I've added my rice. Okay, and the reason why I'm using a ladle or a ladle is to punch the rice and break the rice. Charlie, let's learn properly. We are learning from the Chinese people who do fried rice and they use a ladle. So please, let's use ladle to punch the rice properly so that it can break apart, right? And you fry it, and you need heat, not hot heat. Actually, hot heat, some heat be hot, some heat you can touch it with your fingers. So hot heat, it means that let your flame be high and you fry the rice. We are not steaming the rice, we are frying rice. Okay, my brepo. Anyway, let's continue. So this is the second one, the same ingredients, and here I'm adding my sausages, right? So today we are doing it 3 ways. Okay, 3 ways. The simple way is what I've just done. The standard one is what we just did. And this is when you have a little money, you want to buy sausages. Okay, so once you stir fry the vegetables and the sausages, you just push it aside, and then you add your egg. 1 egg, only 1 egg. Unless the customer want to buy an additional egg, then you add 2. I just drop in my ginger and garlic paste, right? And now my rice goes in. You see how the rice has all become one. Then this is where the back of your ladle becomes very useful. Okay, you use it to punch and break it, and it breaks easily. And when your heat or your fire is hot, it's high, it just fries nicely, and you smell it. Just smell the aroma that comes out of this fried rice, and you love it. Okay, just added my soy sauce, and then look at it, nice and ready, very beautiful. It's just incredible, nice. So number 3, we're going on to fry the corned beef wine. Okay, so the same ingredients, I've just added it, right? Trying to reduce the length of this video. And here I've added the egg to the corned beef. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to fry that gently. I was trying not to break it. I wanted to see chunks of the corned beef in the fried rice at the end. Okay, but then it got to some points. My brother, my sister, I was punching. You remember that punching? Yes, I was punching, and I think I forgot myself. I got carried away with the punching, and then everything mixed up and it all broke. So it doesn't matter. The corned beef will still be there, so no problem, right? So I've added the spring onions for garnishing, as I said, and that is it. It is all done. It's very easy and very simple. And this is it that I've now served nicely with our chicken, and then with all the comininis that come with the salad, right? So this was very enjoyable. My kids loved it. It was amazing. I ate the chicken and the salad because they didn't like it. And then, of course, don't forget your shito. Okay, so everybody, I'm very grateful to you all for coming. Don't forget to like this video if you do actually like the video, and share it if you think it will be useful to somebody. I'm grateful to you all. God bless you, and I will definitely see you in the next one. By the way, the plating or the way the rice was served, I saw it somewhere and I copied it. Copy and paste is always good, so please copy. All right, bye.